Welcome. In front of me is Motorola Moto G56 5G, and in this video I will tell you how to regain access to your phone if you forgot your device's password. So the best way to do that would be to try and remember the password you entered last time, enter it, and try to regain the access. Sometimes it might take you a while, but it will surely save you a lot of time and work in the future. But if you can do that, you can also reach out to Motorola Customer Support service, tell them about your issue, prove the ownership of your device to them, and if you do all of that, then they will most likely help you out recovering the access to your phone without the need of removing any personal information, applications, and other kinds of data stored on your device. And if you can do this, then you can simply reset your phone. You can do this remotely or locally. Both ways your phone will be clear of any previously saved data on it, so you'll have to set it up once again. And if you want to do that, you can either use Find My Device feature by Google if you didn't disable it on your phone. Simply you open Find Hub service. You can find it on the web. Log into your Google account there using the Google account that is connected to this phone. Find your device on the list, and then just select factory reset, and your device will be reset in one click. And if you can't do that, for example, if you don't have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, you can also reset your phone locally using recovery mode. And to do that, and if you don't know how to do that, you can check the video on our channel explaining it, the process step by step. So if you want it, go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video. I hope that some of the advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.